3G Aqua Private Limited pioneers in innovating efficient and maintenance-free solutions for all hard water problems, aiming to provide clean and safe water to every threshold.
मेरी जो स्टार्टिंग जर्नी थी वो एक वाटर ट्रीटमेंट केमिकल्स कंपनी की थी, जिसमें मैं डोमेस्टिक और इंडस्ट्रियल ट्रीटमेंट किया करता था। फिर एक दिन मैंने एक नासा का लेख पढ़ा, जिसमें जो एस्ट्रोनॉट्स होते थे वो उन्होंने स्पेस पे जाके सिल्वर आयोनाइजेशन टेक्निक से हार्ड वाटर को सॉफ्ट वाटर में कन्वर्ट किया। तो फिर मेरे दिमाग में आइडिया आया कि जब ये काम स्पेस में हो सकता है तो अर्थ में क्यों नहीं कर सकते हम।
3G Aqua started their research on water conditioning technology in 2004. In 2005, they launched their first product 3G Aqua for domestic and agriculture purposes in India and 23 different countries. The company was founded in Alok Nagar, Indore, India in 2009. In 2010, the company received its first international order of 32 pieces from the USA. 2011 was the year of establishment of 3G Aqua Private Limited. In 2012, they introduced 4G Aqua, specially developed for the agriculture sector. In 2014, they patented their product 3G Aqua and registered 30 trademarks. The company's distribution and sales kicked off in 20 countries in 2016. All India channel sale was started in 2018. In 2021, 3G Aqua's patent Marvel Catalytic Super 5G Aqua Natural Water Conditioner, a groundbreaking solution for hard water in the domestic, agricultural, industrial and commercial sector. In 2023, 3G Aqua was patented in Casablanca, a city in Morocco, North Africa, by their Ministry of Agriculture. Currently, 3G Aqua has 32 distribution networks in India and has a remarkable presence in 36 countries across the globe. Catalytic Super 5G Aqua, a revolutionary water treatment system that provides you with soft water for all your household needs. With no salt, no chemicals, no magnets, no electricity usage and zero maintenance. Its advanced technology removes water scaling from pipes, prevents rust and deposits in your plumbing system and home appliances, and saves you from skin problems. Enhancing crop quality, Catalytic Super 5G Aqua works wonders in agriculture fields, increases soil moisture and land's life, protects sprinklers and pumps from iron coating, increases crop growth up to 45 to 55%, controls all the microbiological growth, saves crops from bad effects of electric conductivity, requires less fertilizers, pesticides and herbicides, faster and better germination of seeds, save water and reduce electricity consumption up to 40% to 50%. Catalytic Super 5G Aqua becomes all-in-one solution for your industrial operations by enhancing efficiency, preventing negative impacts on machinery and boiler efficiency caused by hard water, improves heat transfer, eliminate calcium and magnesium scaling that affects heat transfer within machinery, quality assurance, ensure machinery quality and efficiency remain high, avoiding efficiency drops of up to 25%, equipment durability, protect machinery components from damage associated with presence of calcium and magnesium. Working with the Redox oxidation reduction technology for the past 22 years has made 3G Aqua unbeatable and delivers excellent quality to its customers. At 3G Aqua, the team and environment is nourished so that company flourishes in harmony. The team is united by a clear strategy and a common vision to become a global leader in the water industry.
अगर देखा जाए तो ये जो मार्केट है वो अप्रोक्सीमेटली $2.75 बिलियन का मार्केट है, जो पिछले साल का रिपोर्ट आई है, और हम जो सोच रहे हैं कि अगले साल तक ये जो मार्केट है वो बढ़कर $4 बिलियन का हो जाएगा। तो हमारा जो कंपटीशन की अगर आप बात करें तो हमारे कंपटीशन में सच यहाँ पर तो कोई नहीं है, क्योंकि हम डील करते हैं कंडीशनर में, ना कि सॉफ्टनर में। हमारा काम जो होता है वो ये होता है कि जो TDS होता है उससे जो रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम होती है हम उसका परमानेंट सॉल्यूशन देते हैं।
Persistently working on the path of success, 3G Aqua has thrived exceptionally in a significant period of time, escalating their sales growth by 50% a year.
5G सुपर एक्वा है, उसका अगर मार्केट में बात करी जाए तो आज उसकी स्टैंडिंग ऑलमोस्ट सारे ही स्टेट्स में अपनी प्रेजेंस पूरी तरह से बना चुका है। आज हमारी लाखों डिवाइसेस पूरे इंडिया में लगी हुई हैं। हम डोमेस्टिक, एग्रीकल्चर और इंडस्ट्रियल, कमर्शियल चारों ही जगह अपनी एप्लीकेशन को लगा चुके हैं। आज हमारे बहुत मेजर क्लाइंट्स के यहाँ बड़े बड़े इंडस्ट्रीज में हमारी डिवाइस अच्छी तरह इंस्टॉल है।
Today, 3G Aqua is synonymous with water conditioning. Their consistent performance and hard work have won them over 1 lakh customers internationally and have built a global family of over 40 distributors worldwide. At 3G Aqua, they don't just treat water, they nurture life because every drop matters.